Okay, so today we're doing a deep dive into Iceclique.com. You've probably seen them if you're looking for that really specific iced out hip hop jewelry look. Big impact pieces.
Right. They catch your eye, and they promise stylish stuff, lots of synthetic stones usually.
And the kicker free worldwide shipping, which always makes you wonder.
Yeah, exactly. So our mission here is, well, is this site the real deal? Or is it just going to let you down? We want to give you the actual data points, is the business legit? And maybe more important, help you figure out what to really expect from the jewelry itself, like how long will it actually last?
It definitely has that too good to be true vibe, right? The style, the prices, shipping anywhere. So, okay, first things first. Is the site even safe to use? Let's tackle that.
Well, we can start with some solid good news there. And
Yeah.
the sources say, yes, it seems safe to shop. And the data backing that up is pretty strong, actually. Like scamadvisor.com, they give iceclick.com a perfect score.
A perfect score. You mean like 100 out of 100?
Yep, 100 out of 100 on their trust score, which is pretty rare for any online retailer, let alone in this kind of market.
Wow. Okay. That definitely sets it apart from, those shady sites that pop up and vanish.
Totally. And add this. The website's been active for over 7 years. Think about it, a scam site, a phishing operation, they don't usually stick around that long. They don't build that history.
Right. 7 years is significant. Okay. So, legitimacy-wise, it sounds like the site itself is pretty solid, safe to order from. But then that leads us to the other big question. What about the customers? And the actual quality. They have a 4.5 out of 5 on Trustpilot, which sounds good. About what, 77 reviews?
Yeah, around that number. And a key thing people mention is that the items look just like the pictures.
Which sounds like a win, right? If it looks like what you ordered.
It is a win for them, definitely.
Yeah.
But here's where we need to get into the specifics. This is the crucial part, the real takeaway knowledge. Iceclick sells gold-plated jewelry.
Gold-plated. Okay, let's break that down because it sounds simple, but what does that actually mean for someone buying it? It's not solid gold, obviously.
Exactly. It means you're buying costume jewelry. Essentially, it's a base metal, could be brass, copper, something like that.
Yeah.
And it has this super thin layer of gold put on top, usually with an electric current.
How thin are we talking?
Really thin. In this fashion jewelry category, it can be less than half a micron thick, sometimes even less.
Less than half a micron. Wow. So it's more like a very thin coat of gold paint, almost. Not like a durable layer.
That's a good way to think about it.
Yeah.
And that's the core knowledge you need here. You get the look, yes, but you don't get the durability or the value of solid gold. Not even like gold vermeil, which is usually thicker plating over sterling silver. This plating will wear off.
Ah, okay. So that's the trade-off.
It is. That base metal underneath, it's going to react with air, with your skin, with moisture over time. The plating wears down, exposes the metal, and then you get tarnishing. Sometimes even that, green mark on your skin.
Right. Okay. So the good reviews, the looks like the pictures thing, it comes from people maybe understanding that up front or just being happy with the initial look for the price.
Probably a bit of both. They're delivering on the look for the price point. It's high style, low cost, but it's not meant to be a forever piece.
So it's fashion jewelry, plain and simple, manage your expectations. That gold-plated reality is kind of the hidden cost behind the free shipping and the trendy designs.
Precisely. So the key isn't just knowing the site is there. It's understanding what kind of product you're actually buying. Knowing it's plated, knowing it's temporary fashion that lets you make an informed choice. And that's real power when you're shopping.
So wrapping this up then, the deep dive shows the site itself looks totally legitimate. Safe to use, safe to order from.
Yep, the business side seems fine.
The crucial thing is applying that knowledge about the product. You understand the plating is thin, it's fragile in the long run. So maybe the final thought for you, the listener, is this. Now that you know when you look at this kind of fashion jewelry, ask yourself, what's the real trade-off here? What's the balance between that initial look, the price you pay, and how long you can realistically expect that piece to last? That's the key question.